Hi everybody, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. My channel is all about doing lots and lots of DIYs and everything related to home within budget. So just look around if you're new here, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and do hit that little bell icon twice so that you're notified each time I post my video. My today's video is part of a challenge called Christmas in July DIY Challenge. This is being hosted by Sushana from Regal Designs by Sushana and Tamara from Love My Babies Forever. So I'll put links to both the ladies' channels in the description box of this video, along with the link to the playlist that they have created. My today's DIY is a cute little wreath, and I think it looks really beautiful. I hope you will like this. For today's DIY, I'm using a wooden embroidery hoop, the one without the clasps. So this will work as a wreath hoop in itself base. Then I have some florals in white and green. They look pretty and delicate. Some red and white twine. A piece of cardboard. Cardboard has this brownish look which goes very well with the wood, as well as looks like gingerbread houses, so the brown cardboard, pair of sharp scissors, brush and white color, and a pencil and some glue, of course. So first I'm going to take this wooden hoop and place it over this and then mark the outlines. Both the outside as well as inside, both the outlines. Now I am making a rough sketch of a village scene with houses in this, and then just cut this whole thing out. I'm going to decorate the village with some white acrylic paint here. Now that the village in gingerbread is ready, I have added a little glue here on this edge, and I'm going to fix the metallic hoop over this. Now that this is secured in place, oops, I have to wait for it to dry up a bit. Now this is dry. Now I'm taking this red and white twine and I'm going to wind it around this area, which first I'll glue it at the back and then wind it around this hoop to give that touch of red to this wreath. So So the happy red color will shine in here. Now that I've reached till this portion, I will also try to add the florals in this. So before that, I must add the floral for this side. Try to tuck this in between these loops. As I tighten, that gets fixed there. And similarly, I'll take this floral and add it here. And as I go winding this, I'll attach that wire also here. I will later add a little tape also to secure this florals in place. I think this is looking pretty already. Now to hang it, I've taken another piece of red and white twine, and I'm just going to make a loop here. First I go about like this, come from below, and avoiding disturbing the foliage as much as possible, bring it out and then tie a little knot at the top. So here I have a loop for hanging this, and this is really lovely in lots of whites, natural elements, greens and red. I hope you liked my today's DIY. I think it's really sweet, cute, with pretty colors of Christmas, yet it's neutral and a sweet and cute decor item. Thank you so much for your time, and I would really appreciate if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Write down your comments, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you everybody. I'll see you very soon. Until then, be positive, be creative and be happy.